Hey guys, welcome to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how to read Instagram messages without being seen. So if you want to read Instagram messages without being seen or letting the other person know, then the good news is there are several ways to check Instagram DMs without sending out the read receipts. You can either use Instagram restrict feature, disable your internet, or even use third-party services. So in this video, I'll show you how you can turn off Wi-Fi or data to hide Instagram read receipts. In order to get started, first go to Instagram application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Make sure you are logged into it so you land onto an interface like this. Now if you have received messages that you want to read without being seen, then first turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Turning off the internet is the simplest way to read any Instagram messages without marking it as seen. Now tap onto the Instagram direct message tab and you can see the received messages. Open any of the messages you want to read without being seen. Now turning off this Wi-Fi and data trick might not work well for images and videos. Also, if you view the photos or videos offline, the messages will be marked as read as soon as you go back online. So for Android users, you can go back to the phone settings, then first stop the Instagram application by going on to apps on the settings. Now go and tap on recent apps and close all the open tabs. Now you can go back online and open your Instagram application. Tap onto the direct message that is on the top right corner and you can see that you have successfully read the messages without being seen on Instagram application. So this was one of the easiest way to read your Instagram messages without being seen. This will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye, have a good day.